everyone, welcome to our group presentation. We present about activities carried out by JNT Express. We are the students from University Malaysia Kelantan. Our group members' names are Fong Ying A21A2478, Chong Hong A21A2444, IRDINA BATRISYA BINTI ZAIDI A21A3382, NURUL AFINA BINTI ZAILANI A21A3406, and NURULAIN NASUHA BINTI YUSRIZA A21A3425. We are from the class ACS 2013, Logistics and Distributive Trade from L2T2, and our lecturer's name is Sir MOHAMMAD NIZAMUDDIN RAHIM. Before we start our presentation, let's take a brief look at the table of content. Let me introduce the JNT Express. JNT Express was an Indonesian freight company that was founded by Jet Li and Tony Chang in August 2015. The company was mainly depending on package delivery, service and technology base that operates on an electronic platform. JNT Express Malaysia was awarded as the Best Delivery and Customer Service Excellence Awards by MCMC due to the pandemic, leading to the rise of e-commerce and logistic companies, especially JNT Express. Okay, next, let me introduce the warehousing. Warehousing is a place with large containers where the goods are stored by the importers, exporters, and wholesalers. To maintain a warehouse running correctly, all procedures will be used. The function of the warehouse in JNT Express. The warehouse is a transfer station because goods are transported from the main warehouse via lorry to subsidiaries in various states. It can reduce the customer congestion at the picking point. For example, according to the admin of JNT Express branch in Sungai Siput, Perak, the central warehousing in Kuala Lumpur will transfer goods to subsidiary in each state via lorry. Before sending the goods to the subsidiary, the mailer will attach a clear information of the recipient so that the goods can transfer to customers safely. The second function of the warehouse is it can adjust the product's delivery time based on the expiration date to prevent the product from expiring. The risk can be reduced because the final packaging will not be completed until the specific order label is finalized. For example, JNT Express will arrange for the quickest delivery time for food such as canned goods, frozen foods, and vegetable products so that they can be delivered to customers before the expiry date. Next, the technology applied in the warehouse of JNT Express was JNT Express e-fulfillment. It was a high-tech warehouse management system control every step to provide professional warehousing and distribution service. It can save time and money by eliminating labor errors. It was equipped with WMS and ERP to enable effective operation management and labor cost reduction while maintaining 24 hours security. It can regulate the transportation and storage of goods, which means that everything can be tracked using scanners. With the cooperation, use ERP, a network of integrated technologies that can automate a company's action across all divisions. So this is the location of one of the branch JNT Express that I have visited for getting the information of warehousing in Sungai Siput, Perak. The CDC is located behind the drop point, which is TP, and this is their address.
I would like to talk about packaging JNT Express. JNT Express in Kampar provide three materials of packaging, which are JNT bags, JNT boxes, and bubble wraps. The first is JNT bags. Based on a conversation with JNT workers, I realized that JNT bags are polyethylene packaging bags and also serve as an external covering for a variety of items during transit. Bags are widely used by online shopping websites to ship items to customers, and the exterior of bags can be easily customized with details such as company signage, consignor, and consignee. The second material of packaging is JNT boxes. JNT Distribution Center in Kampar provide 4 sizes of JNT boxes with different weight and reasonable price to customers, which are RM 1.05 for box size XS, RM 2.10 for box size S, RM 4.25 for box size M, and RM 7.40 for box size L. The last material is bubble wraps. Bubble wrap is a type of a protective plastic sheeting that is used to keep fragile items from breaking while being moved or shipped. Bubble wrap is one of the effective forms of protective packaging, is not only because it's entertaining to pop, but it also because it provides an unexpected level of protection by being both great absorbing and abrasion resistant, and is also extremely light and flexible. Operation of packaging with white paper. Step 1. Wrap the item in bubble wrap to keep from leaking. Step 2. Place the item into a J&T box. Step 3. Seal the J&T box with tape. Ensure the opening is sealed. Operation of packaging with book. Step 1. Wrap the book with bubble wrap. Step 2. Seal it with tape. Step 3. Pack with a well-fit J&T clear bag. Step 4. Release the air. Last step. Use tape to seal the clear bag.
My name is IRDINA BATRISYA. The next slide that we are going to proceed with is production planning and scheduling. Firstly is production planning. Production planning is a function to create an efficient process for production and organizational needs. The process needed to satisfy the current plan, level of sales, objective regarding profit, customer satisfaction as expressed in the overall business plan, which is production scheduling, which is the plan that authorizes the operation to produce a certain quantity of item within specified time frame. Next, prepare in-depth estimate of future cash flow and to identify the requirement before taking up the project, which is GNT Express Strategic Operational Planning and Scheduling. GNT is a technology-based express services company that applies highly advanced IT management. Besides that, they are also become the first express delivery to offer real-time packages tracking system through phone and website. Next is, there are many examples for GNT planning and scheduling. Number 1, which is charge of domestic and international shipping. In their GNT website, they make it easier for the customer to know how much they cost for their need, how much cost they needed for the international and domestic shipping. The cost of the shipping is differences between international and the domestic because of the currency value, which is process of express shipping. GNT Express have created a pickup services that are available to all sellers whether in West or East Malaysia. Each level of shipping procedure is supervised by designated employees for the division to ensure that delivering goods more systematic, which is customer parcel drop point. JNT Express Courier Point Agent is an authorized courier agent that allow people to collect and drop off their parcel at the agent registered premises. They are also created the drop point for the customer to track and trace their parcel in the real time with full visibility. Lastly, which is customer check their express post. JNT have made a trace and track at the website to help the customer to know where their goods are placed. In every purchases, customer will get a receipt, trace and track. In there, the customer will be able to detect the origin of the parcel, where the parcel will be placed after the shipment, and lastly, address of the parcel to be sent to the customer.
Today I will tell you about facility location for company GNT. Location decision play an important role in supply chain management logistic activities. Optimizing location and allocation decision is often preceded by an assessment of the existing distribution network system, such as assessment beginning when an evaluation of the quality of the service facilities, correct location, and the allocation of customer demand to the facility. Have 5 factors influencing facility location of GNT company. First, personnel. Logistic Management Textbook 3A say that key personnel are essential to the success of all logistic activities as well as the overall performance of the supply chains. The company must establish criteria and recruitments for employees as well as the number of employees needed for the success of logistic activity. By focusing on the analysis of the study, the researchers found that 11 respondents agree with the level of service provided by GNT company, and 12 respondents also agreed with the efficient way of packing by GNT employees. Number 3 is infrastructure facility. Infrastructure facility refer to system facilities used for country, city origin, and include service of facilities necessary for a business. Infrastructure is important for a business to create a good location for facilities for a business. In addition, GNT company provide facilities in the form of parking and waiting areas and a good service. 3. Information technology. Information communication technology is ICT is essential of computing as it enables user of computer and software to change, acquire, protect, process, and display information regardless of time and place. For example, J&T companies use advanced information technology (IT) to provide efficient and quality service in their delivery service, such as call center service that operate 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. 9.4 is supply chain. Supply chain is a system in which each company or person ensure that a good or product reaches the customer safely. Because the process also involves that the J&T company which plays a role in the delivery of the good. The J&T company plays an important role in ensuring that the good arrive in a safe condition. J&T provide the application system, J&T Express, which allow customer to ensure the safety of the good by tracking the tracking number provided. Last point is proximity to market and customers. According to Tokopedia, businesses can benefit greatly from proximity marketing. For example, we can see that J&T company in Ciku 3 is conveniently located near the customer area, school area, Giatmara restaurant and grocery store. So you guys can see that picture J&T is located in a strategic place.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am NURULAIN NASUHA binti YUSRIZA. Today I will present the customer service conducted by J&T Express. What is a customer service? Most important parts of marketing for a product or service. The high quality customer service can help to foster customer loyalty and generate trust in the new consumer. Customer satisfaction is typically defined by an organization's ability to supply or generate service or goods that fulfill the customer's typical expected demands and wishes. A company's success depends in part on its ability to provide excellent customer service. There are 4 customer service provided by J&T Express. The first is the use the call center method. The service operate 24 hours a day. This method is used to make it easier for customers to ask company-related questions. The second is the application. With its increasingly sophisticated technology, J&T improves their level of service by designing their own app. This helps make it easier for their customer to book appointment, check delivery rates, track order, and get the most up-to-date information. In addition to downloading the application, there is also customer service directly through WhatsApp, WeChat, and Facebook. Next, the third is the complaint center. Customer can make any complaints regarding the problems they face on their official website of J&T Express. This service allows J&T Express to improve their service in the future. Last but not least, J&T Express also provides face-to-face customer service. This service is for customers who want to make deliveries of goods. Therefore, that's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, every member of the J&T Express team, including the managing director, is expected to participate in the day-to-day operations. Managers work alongside operation and delivery workers on the ground, earning, vending, and solving problems as their goal, and treating each other with care and respect. Other than that, J&T Express core values emphasize positive energy, putting customer first, adhering to high ethical standards, fostering cooperation, and being innovative in order to obtain a competitive advantage. Thank you for listening to our presentation.